welcome you all to our series in Gyan Portal Basics about C++, and today we discuss about a very important topic which is a looping. Ki how we make a loop, and first loop is our for loop, and in our entire DSA looping is required. Looping is our basic requirement. So guys, before starting this video I must say please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos. So let's start the concept ki why we require. First of all, we understand why we require for loop. As you know, if I say, if someone says to you ki you have to print your name 5 times, then you basically what you can do, you say, sir, it's an easy task. I can easily write about my name 5 times with cout or with printf function. But what in case if the other person say you have to write your name by 2000 times, then is it is a problem? Yes, maybe it's a problem. Maybe someone say like, sir, I have very much time in my life. I write cout and then copy it many times. Yes, you do it, but in terms of coding purpose, you know कि you have lakhs or millions of lines of program. So in that case you always write such things like you always do cout in such way for 2000 code of line. No guys, no, you're not doing such foolish thing. So for that you can go with a for loop. Basically what you say, you can do like this ki first of all you have to write a for and then braces. After that you have to initialize. The first is our initializer. Basically I initialize int I equals to 0. Then there is a condition checker ki our loop is going from this to this, and after this if I not increment it, it can stuck to at a 1 to we get a infinite loop. So for that I use a incrementer, and now I write cout Gyan portal is back, and next line clear /n, and now I save it and I run it. As you see, the Gyan portal is back, and it will be appear 5 times, and if I require 25 times it will write 25 times. So basically now it's our main purpose is to write a proper condition with a proper initializer. And if you want the initializer like this, you also initialize like this. It's up to you what you think to do and what your thinking level. And basically this type of thinking is very much required in case of when we go with on some pattern logics. And our next thing will be about developing our logic with the help of patterns. And it is very good concept. In sometimes in your coding interviews, in your college exams, you have basic level of concept about you have to know about the basic level concept of patterns, how you printed the star mark, how you printed the kite. In such way you are utilize this concept. Or in that thing I talk about how we use the nested looping, how we go to the nested looping, how we put a condition inside our for loop, and all that thing I have discussed in that video. Now after the for looping, there is another loop which is called while. And while is basically, there is nothing different. While is similar as our for, they also work for looping, but the syntax is little different. We just give a condition here and we initialize it in the upper part and go with it like this, and then I cout I and I do like this and I printed I run my code. Now you see 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so like this our while. But in some cases you have to require, like you only want कि our कि at least one a time your loop is going to work. If condition is false but your loop is work once, and at that time you have to require what? You have to require a do while loop. The concept is that you have to use a do like this, and you do cout yarn slash and you just increment I plus plus and you just run it. Okay, I make a mistake, semicolon. What is the problem now? Okay, here also. And as you see, only once your loop is going to work. So guys, in this way our looping concept is will be worked, and in next video we talk about much more concept about basic C++. So guys, must subscribe this channel, like this video and share this video.